All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and today is December 22nd and the beginning of Christmas week. All right, the market has had a 1,000 point range tonight. We got a high of 2074 or 2075, a low of 2064. All right, usually I'm looking for the market to rally into Christmas, but we've got some things that we have to look at down below. So let me switch to a 15-minute chart so I can give you the shaded area for value. All right, here we go. All right, so we have 2070 basically the top of value. All right, and we have 2063 as the mode. As you can see, right at our bull bear zone, which is 2067. All right, the 15-minute pivot is sitting on top of that. All right, the 5 minute is in a sell. And then we have 2060. The things that concern me, and I don't know if they're going to leave this till next week, but we have a lot of single prints down below. So when you take a look at this, we got a single print from 25, 55 and a quarter, all right, all the way down to 2047 half, all right, and even if we keep going lower, we got them down here at 29 and a quarter to 27. I got an average. These are more prints, so these are all on the chart. I put that in there. That's an average numerical mode. That is no uh, reference to volume. That's the last 3 days divided by three, the total. So right now, like I said, we've got the Nasdaq. Uh, I got the Nasdaq, Russell, and the Dow. They're all in sells for right now. I think the volume and the not only because it's Christmas week, but we're also it's going to contract it because the market did go off, finally expired. So we have no more rollover, we have no more expiration, and so on. So that's an issue right now. Let me go to the 5 minutes so you can see where the 5 minute went to a sell. All right, there we go. So the 5 minute basically went to a sell right here at 6:45 in the morning. So we had a sell, and it is now going to probably be down by the low. Yeah, it'll be down here. All right. So we got the bull bear zone at 2067, the top of value at 70. We've got 2063. Okay, now remember, Thursday, Friday, we've had this run up and we've had no pullback. No pullback. If we had filled in those single prints, I just, be in here buying it and think that we're going to deal with those single prints next week or after the first of the year. So that's what we got on the top. Targets we have. Right here we have 2074 and a quarter. You take that out, and then it would become a buy again, right? And then we got 2076 as resistance. You got old high up here from Friday. That's where it rallied up to 2076 and a quarter and broke. 2078, and then we got R1, R2, and the rest of the stuff up there. So I think that the volatility is going to contract today, not only for the holiday, but the fact that we have the expiration done and out of the way. So I'd be looking for the market to make at least a pullback to the opening, which was in 63 area, 60. If it gets any momentum, we have to worry about those single prints that we talked down below. Here's a pictorial picture of overnight action. We got the night mode sitting at 2071.90, and then here is yesterday. So this looks like it's not complete down here, 2056 half. And then here's all the single prints we're talking about from Thursday. See all these ends going down to here. Okay. Here's those other single prints. And then we have this, we have also this down below this 2014 to here. And that was a gap opening that we have to deal with also. So these are all low volume nodes too. There's, you can see in the writing, we have put no volume in this area. So eventually we're gonna trade back to there. So all right, everyone have a good day. I've had a little trouble with my oil stuff. I'll try to get a chart out earlier, later on today. So, Salute Sportslino, manovermarket.com, and have a good day trading. And if there's enough action, I'll give you a midday update. Bye.